Hi students, my name is Sandeep. Today I am going to teach you time and work. There are many types of problems in this time and work. I have divided this problem into three types. The number of methods of problems into three types. Okay, let's see the first type. Concept one: how to solve this time and work problem. Let's start from the first question, please. Let's see the question, students. If 3 men or 5 women can do a piece of work in 38 days, then find 2 men, 3 women can do the same work in how many days? This is the question. What the question has given means 3 or 5 women can do the same work in 38 days. Means 3 men can do the work in 38 days, or else 5 women can do the work in 38 days. Then find 2 men and 3 women can do the same work in how many days is the question. Okay. First take this. 3 men can do the same work in 38 days. 5 women can do the same work in 38 days. So we can take it as 3 men is equal to 5 women. Next we should find 2 men plus 3 women can do the same work in how many days? 2 men plus 3 women can do the same work in how many days? Okay. Let's see, friends, here. Before solving this problem, either we should convert this into either men into women or women into men. Then only we can solve this problem easily. Okay. Already they have given 3 men is equal to 5 women. Let's convert this into women. Okay. 1 woman is equal to 3/5 men. Okay, students. 1 woman is equal to 3/5 men. From the first statement, from the first sentence, we have taken 1 woman is equal to 3/5 men. We can convert this problem into men also, but we are trying it from women. Okay. Solve this woman into is 2 men is plus 3 into, take this woman and substitute here 3/5 men. So next take LCM of 5. 2 men plus 9/5 men. Take LCM of 5. 10 men plus 9 men is equal to 19/5 men. Okay, we have converted this into totally 19/5 men. Actually, what the question has given here, already the question has told that 3 men can do the work in 38 days. 3 men can do the work in 38 days. So how many days? This 2 men and 3 women. 2 men and 3 women we have got into men, 19/5. So 19/5 men can do the work in how many days? If 3 men can do the work in 38 days, then how many days this 19/5 men can do the work? Why we got 19/5 means we have converted this question 2 men and 3 women into men, or we can convert this also into women, but we have converted this question into men. Okay. In this we can do that 3 into 38. This constant is equal to 19/5 into days. How many days? This is the question. By cross multiplication we can get that 3 into 38 into 19/5 is equal to days. Sorry, here you keep 5, here you will get it, because 5 will go up and 19 will come down. 19 1s are 19 2s are 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So 30 days. 30 days is the answer, students. We can solve this question here directly also. How means 3 men will do the work in 38 days means how many days 19 by 5 men will do the same work. Okay, just to keep it and you do cross multiplication, you will get definitely this 5 will go up, this 5 will go up, and 19 2s are 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, so 30 days. This is the actual procedure, but definitely we should have some shortcuts to do this question. Now I will teach you a small logic how to solve this question. See students, see carefully. This is the small logic, because we are having only few seconds in competitive examination. Just within 1 minute or with less than 1 minute, we should read the question, we should understand the question, and we should solve the problem, and we should also bubble it or click the answer correctly. Okay, without any. So we should know the few logics how to do this problem. Okay, let's see this problem how to do in logic. Shortcut. Can I say shortcut? If 3 men and 5 women can do a piece of work in 30 days, 3 men or 5 women can do a piece of work in 38 days. Okay, then find 2 men and 3 women can do the same work in how many days? 2 men and 3 women in how many days? Just write like this, friends. This is the question. See how the logic means. Definitely when you are in childhood, we have learnt matrix, 2 by 2 rows into column, A B C D matrix, A B C D matrix. Let us think A of matrix is equal to A B C D. If you think det of A means the formula is AD minus BC. This is when you have read in childhood. Okay, but just to think like this, just to write here A, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, this is A, B, C, D. Okay, just to think like that. Just to think it is into row matrix. But take this formula as right here. How it is? Logic is 3 into 5 into 38. Write this 3 into 5 into 38 divided by AD plus BC. You write here AD plus BC. AD 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 5 2s are 10. Okay, so we will get here 19. Okay, 19 2s are 30 days. This is the answer. I will tell you again, students, how to do this logic. Please see here. 3 men or 5 women. 3 men or 5 women can do the work in 38 days. In how many days? 2 men and 3 women can do the same work. Here the logic is, just you think this as A, B, C, D in a matrix form. Just you think. First you write upper column 3 into 5 into 38. 3 into 5 into 38 divided by AD plus BC. AD 3 3s are 9 plus BC 10. Total 19. When you will solve, it's 30. 30 days is the answer. Just this is very small thing, very small. Just you can solve this question in just around 20 seconds. This is one type of problem. Definitely the non-math students also can understand very easily. Okay, let's do another problem. Okay, here the question is, okay, it is also the same question like before how we have solved, but here one more member is added. 1 man or 2 women or 3 boys can do a work in 44 days. Then find one man, one woman, one boy can do the same work in how many days? Actually, previous question we have seen only women and men, but here one more is added. One more gender is one more fellow is added, boy. Okay, means that is 2. This is 3. This is also definitely we have to do. It's a very complex problem. Steps also. Okay, we'll once we will see how this problem will be done. We have to convert this problem into men. We have to convert this problem into either men or women or 3 boys. For example, 1 man is equal to 2 women is equal to 3 boys. Okay, then what 1 man plus 1 woman plus 1 boy will do the same work in how many days? Either we have to convert this into men, or either we have to convert this into woman, or either we have to convert this both into boys, and we have to solve the problem how we have done the previous 2 candidates. But let us think very shortly how to solve this problem, very shortcut. See students, in shortcut I will tell to you. One man or 2 women or 3 boys can do the work in 44 days. Then how many 1 man plus and, or you can turn plus or and 1 woman and 1 boy can do the same work in how many days? How we have taken like matrix in previous logic. This is just logic students. Directly I am going to logic. Just take this as, consider this as A1, this as B1, this as C1. Okay, this as A2, this one as B2, this one as C2. Okay, see what is the formula means. Just this one consider days as D. Just consider this days as D. Okay. Formula is A1 just B1, A1 into B1 into C1 into D divided by, we have taken upper column A1 into B1 into upper row, everything upper row, A1 into B1 into C1 into D. Previous question also we have taken. Previous question also how we have taken A into B into C D, number of A into B into D by AD plus BC. This is the logic. Now see, if 3 people has given A1 into B1 into C1 into D divided by, here you take it as A1 into B1 into C2 AB C2 again A2 A1 into C1 into B2 plus A2 into B1 into C1. This is the formula, students. Just substitute it in this question, you will get the answer directly without doing length reading. What is the solution? What we will get? A1 means 1 man, 1 into B is 2 into C1 is 3 into 44 divided by A1 B1 C2. What is A1? A1 is 1. 1 into B1 is 2 into C2. What is C2 is 1 plus A1 is 1, C1 is 3, next B2 is 1 plus A2 is 1, B1 is 2, sorry, B2 is 2, C1 is 3. Just do it. here 1 into it's 1, it's 2 plus 3 plus 2 3 is 6. Okay, numerator 6 plus 3 plus 2. What is 6 plus 3 plus 2? So 9, 11. Okay, 11. So what you will get? Totally 11 you are getting. 11, 11, 4 jar, 4 3 jar 12, 12 2 jar 24. 24 days is the answer. This is very simple problem, friends. I said very short logic formula for you. I'm going to tell you again. Please see here. If 1 man, 2 women or 3 boy can do a work in 44 days. If 1 man, 2 women or 3 boys can do a work in 44 days, then find 1 man, 1 woman, 1 boy. Combining both of 3 of them do the same work in how many days? Just to write in this way. And I have what I have said the logic. Just to take this as A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Okay. Now take this the upper column as upper row as A1, product this everything, A1 into B1 into C1 into D, A1 into B1 into C1 into D divided by A1 B1 C2 A1 C1 B2 plus B1 C1 A2. This is the formula. You will get how many days? It is the answer.